off of that thing, and welcome to the Misbehaving YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the progress on the architect's workshop. Right now Mr. Behaven has painted all the outside part, which is looking great, and we have the lights here installed in the overhang. Eventually we're going to put a deck that extends all the way across this so that the tools that we use that generate a lot of dust, they'll be on wheeled stands. We can wheel them out here and use them outside and then push it back in to cut down on some of the dust. Let's take a look inside. Okay, let's take a quick look inside before the spray foam insulation guy gets here. Here we have the new electrical service with the electrical panel, all the wiring for the lights, the outlets. In the corner there with the two windows is going to be my office, my desk. We have a mezzanine up above that when I cut down my wood, I have a place to store it to dry. Takes a year or two to dry some of those bigger pieces. Come around back to the barn door. These ceilings up to the ridge are 13 feet up to that ridge, so it's pretty tall in here. Air conditioning unit is going to go right above that window. These are the wall brackets that hold up my countertops. Pretty nice. And the same thing over here for my desk. My desk has the two windows. One can see the front gate. The other one can see where our house site is going to be. And the brackets on the wall for the L-shaped desk. Job is done. We have the 1.5 inch closed cell foam insulation, hard as a rock. Everything is sealed up. They did a great job all the way up to the ceiling, the 13-foot high ceiling, and over on top of the mezzanine storage. We are good and insulated now. We even had them do the barn doors. And here is a look at it before it was painted. Isn't it amazing what a little color can do? Here we are at the back, and the length of this thing was pretty long, so I wanted to break it up a little bit. It's 32 feet from here to here, so I tried to break it up a little bit so it didn't look like this long orange facade. Use some of the accent color, the green that we have around the property. You can see the other buildings in the background. Also use the green color, and in this building right here we're going to have to add something to it because it kind of looks boring now with all the other ones. We also had some drainage issues, so Jack came in and sloped it back this way and then took some of the dirt and sloped it back away from the shed because we were having water running down this hill and under the shed and standing under there. So now that that's taken care of, Jack did another awesome job here. Look at the drywall. It's finished, sanded and ready to be primed. This is where my office is, the wall brackets here, where the L-shaped desk is going to go. Here's another workstation with the brackets where another countertop goes, and Mike and Jerry did an awesome job on the drywall all the way up there, 13 feet high. We're going to put some plywood over this door, the barn door, and do some diamond plated metal on that. This is going to be another feature wall here with a mural design on it, and then back around. Let's get some primer on. And the progress is coming along inside. Everything is painted. This is the area where the desk is going to go. We're going to do a faux painting on the wood. Yes, we're making wood look like faux painted wood. And we've got some of the cabinets, putting them together. We got the diamond plate wall put up. Going to work out the cabinets there. The wall sconces are in. We got the feature wall partially painted. Flip some of the wall sconces on so you can see. The wall sconces are all in. Looking pretty good so far. We got all the overhead shop lights put in. And it's coming along. We'll check back with more progress later.
This is Misbehaving reminding you, if you got an idea or see something you want to do, get up off of that thing. Make it happen. It'll make you feel better.